Do you want to make money online from home, but you don't have any skills or experience? Then this video is for you. Today on Digital Dollar, I'll show you exactly how to create and sell digital products using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. No coding, no designing, no investment needed. Just free AI tools and a little bit of time. So make sure you watch till the end, because this might be the easiest way to build passive income in 2025. If you want an amazing video like this for yourself, contact on the WhatsApp number below. Need a high-quality video like this? Then send your idea on WhatsApp now. Need a professional video for your content? Message on WhatsApp and let's get started. Section 1. What are digital products? Let's start with the basics. What are digital products? A digital product is anything you can create and sell online that doesn't require shipping or inventory. It can be downloaded instantly. Here are a few high-demand examples: ebooks, printable planners, resume templates, business documents, digital artwork, study materials and worksheets, Instagram content packs. Once you create it, you sell it again and again. No inventory, no stress, just pure passive income. Section 2. Use AI to create your product. Now the real question: how do I create this if I don't have any skills? That's where AI becomes your best friend. Here are 5 free AI tools that will help you create professional digital products without needing to learn anything complex. 1. ChatGPT. Use it to write ebook content, generate resume text, create content for your templates. Just give it a topic, and it does the writing for you. 2. Canva. This is your design tool. No experience needed. Use Canva to make planners, resume layouts, Instagram templates. They even have AI design suggestions now. 3. Leonardo AI Midjourney Ideogram. Want to create digital artwork or illustrations? These AI tools turn your words into stunning images in seconds. 4. Notion AI Google Gemini. Perfect for making study notes, journals, goal planners. Just type what you need and the AI structures everything. 5. InVideo Canva Video Editor. Make short videos to promote your digital products without knowing how to edit. AI tools create professional videos automatically. All of this can be done from your laptop or phone for free. Section 3. Where to sell your digital products. You've created your product. Now where do you sell it? Here are 4 beginner-friendly platforms. 1. Gumroad. No setup cost, easy to use, great for selling PDFs and templates. 2. PayHip, user-friendly, and allows you to sell digital downloads, memberships, and even courses. 3. Etsy, huge customer base, perfect for selling planners, printables, and digital art. 4. Ko-fi. You can sell digital products and get direct support from your audience. These platforms let you upload your product once, and you can keep earning every single time someone downloads it. Section 4. How to get sales-free strategy. Making a product is just half the game. Now you need people to see it. Here's a 100% free strategy that works. 1. Post short videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Show your product in action. Example: here's a 2025 planner I made using AI. Download link in bio. 2. Pinterest. Create pins on Canva showing your product, and link them to your Gumroad or Etsy shop. 3. Use AI for promotion. Use ChatGPT to write your captions, titles, and hashtags. You don't need to be a copywriter. Let AI do it. Just post consistently for 10 to 15 days, and you'll start seeing results. So here's the deal. You can either keep watching videos or take the first step towards your own digital income stream. Drop a comment below. I'm ready. And I'll send you a free guide with AI prompt templates, the best digital product ideas, my top free tools list. And if you're serious about building income using AI and digital tools, subscribe to Digital Dollar right now, and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because this is just the beginning. The future of money is digital, and the best time to start is today. This is Digital Dollar. I'll see you in the next video.